How to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shop. So hello there and welcome back to another video. To connect your Shopify to your Facebook or Instagram, you have to head over to this app sections, then you have to tap onto all recommendation app, then you have to tap onto Shopify app store, and after tapping onto Shopify app store, at the search bar you have to search for Meta, or you can just simply search for Facebook and Instagram. Let me show you. And Instagram. So this site over here, you can see this. Just simply download this one. As you can see, mine has already been installed. Already I have installed this one. You just have to complete the installation, then you have to open it up, and then after opening it up you will get the options to connect with them. Connect it with your Shopify or Facebook app store. Like you can connect it with Facebook and Instagram very easily. You can just tap on to get started. You can just tap onto it and you can get started with it very easily. Now you can see this option, connect account. Simply tap onto it and you have to enter your Facebook ID and password. You can just connect it very easily. So that was pretty much it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.